Hoping to learn a programming language by just watching videos is like hoping to become fit by just watching a TV fitness program. There are some great online Python courses out there, but a video course is not enough to master a programming language. Me myself, I've been teaching on Udemy since 2015, and I know where students fail. I know you particularly struggle when you find yourself having to create a program from scratch on your own. You cannot create a program all by yourself if you haven't trained your brain to create a program all by yourself. This is what this course is about. Here you'll solve more than 100 Python exercises, well-crafted Python exercises and problems. Some of them can be solved in seconds, some may need half an hour or an hour of your time. And coding on your own will train you to code on your own. The exercise can be solved on the Udemy embedded Python environment. You can run your code on Udemy directly. You don't have to switch between your browser and your Python IDE, so you can focus on solving the problems. The course is divided into several sections. The biggest section is the section about data structures and algorithms. There are also sections on functions, classes, working with files, text processing, understanding Python errors, very important, and also code introspection and code performance and optimization. In each exercise that you solve or that you don't solve, I assure you'll learn something. The course is for people who are a bit familiar with Python basics, which is functions, loops, conditionals, numbers, lists, and strings. If you know these concepts, then the course is for you. You'll not regret it. Even if you do, Udemy offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can return the course if you don't like it. So get the course now, and I'll see you on the inside.